No matter if you like Fortnite or not, we can all agree on one thing. That gaming is the future. Literally, I think a kid won like 3 million off like a contest, like a Fortnite contest. I think he only got like 1.5 mil or 1.6 mil because he doesn't know how to do his taxes right. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna put you guys on what I think is going to be the next big gaming stock. So Zynga is a stock that's chilling around $10 right now. It's a mobile gaming stock, and basically I think this will be 20 plus in February because it's having a lot of good stuff, and even Redditors are getting behind it. Let me just tell you why I think it's going to be 20 plus. So coronavirus isn't getting a whole lot better. We are getting a little better with it with the emergency approval of vaccines, but a lot of people are still locked down and a lot of people are still gaming. So Zynga is finally back up over its IPO price, and earnings are going to be on Wednesday. So that should determine basically how good this company is going to be. So it's going to provide guidance in these earnings, and it's also going to tell us if it can push to 20. So, but I think it will be able to because there's still a lot of lockdown stuff going on, a lot of online gaming, and more gaming is getting even more exposure. So Reddit likes to push small stocks. Of course, the meme stocks like Ace, AMC, BlackBerry, I sold all of those because like they weren't really doing much for me. And after the legit restrictions and the SEC like manipulation, all that stuff, even though they were given back those restrictions, that you can buy GameStop now, but still like it's not the same. So it went from like 400 to 100, and basically the dynasty of the meme stock was over. But Zynga is looking very primed. So I myself bought in about 9 something. I bought a lot of calls because I think this is going to rocket. If we also look at the chart, there's a nice little cup and handle forming on the 3 months chart, and it's about to have an inverse head and shoulders on the 1 month chart. So it is looking pretty good. If you guys want to join my Discord, it's $20 a month. You get exact plays from me every single day, exactly what to buy, when to enter, when to exit, and more stock news, more teachings and stuff like that. There could be a huge upside that's happening because right before market close on Friday, I'm currently making this on a Sunday. Right before market close on Friday, we got at least 95% of calls that were made. So there was 5% puts, 95% calls. So that means if the big guys are buying calls, that means it's time to buy calls. And there's a lot of volume coming in. So that means this stock really could push past 12 this week. It's chilling around 1089 at after hours on Friday. So basically what Zynga needs is a $3 billion path to revenue in 2021 for at least investors to be impressed, which I think could really show if Zynga shows a control on expenses. So it's all about guidance, all about what the company can show investors, and leverage fixing costs, try to try to undercut the cost. So if they could figure out how to do this, which I think personally that they can, the stock could very well jump to 20 plus. Zynga is finally getting the recognition it deserves. It's like around 4 years ago, 5 years ago, it was chilling at $2-3. It still hasn't even jumped crazy yet. So that means there's a lot of headroom. Its IPO price was like 10. So 10, that means it's over its IPO price. That means we're going up. We're going past whatever it is. It just depends on what the company does at this point. So I personally believe in this stock a lot, but it's looking very bullish, but could always be disappointed. It is the stock market. In my opinion, it's looking very bullish on these charts. But definitely if Redditors are on it, I'm definitely on it, because if the internet is pushing it up, I'm going to be in there, because literally we've seen what happened with AMC, BlackBerry. You just have to get out at the right time. So if this could push past 15, I'm taking my profit. If it doesn't push past 15, I'm still holding my calls up until Wednesday, because I'm using that earnings momentum strategy. I'm buying about a week before earnings. I'm just buying calls because the earnings momentum regardless will push it up. So if it gets like Twitter had the partnership with Google, so I'm gonna buy some calls Monday, sell it before Twitter earnings, because holding through earnings is very much a gamble. I don't want to do that. I'd rather just take my profit of the hype. I'm simply just getting in for the hype and then selling before earnings. So I might hold a small contract through Twitter earnings, through Zynga earnings, but I'm playing with profits already. So you see what I'm doing? So I might hold $1,000 worth of Zynga calls, but I'm only holding like a $200 Zynga call through earnings because I already made the profit. I already made like $300-$400 off Zynga. I'd be cool with losing 200 or losing 100 to see if Zynga can go past 20 because of the earnings spike. So that's really what my game plan is to hold Zynga until Wednesday, sell it before earnings, and take my profit. So if this company does go good as well, though, I will buy it after earnings because I think it's a very good growth stock. I've had it since $7. So this is not a super fast growth stock, but it's looking very good because of coronavirus and lockdowns and stuff like that. So it's one of my favorite gaming stocks. It could be Penn Gaming in the future. So this is the cheapest gaming stock, as Penn Gaming is at about 130 right now. So if Zynga is at $10 and it goes to 100, bro, this could be major. But yeah, guys, that's all I really wanted to say. This could be a very good growth stock, very good opportunity if you get in with some long calls. Long calls are literally cheap as hell, like they're like $100. So if these $100 long calls turn into $1,000, that's easy $900 profit per call. Yeah, I just want to show you guys this piece of information. What you do with this information is up to you. I'm definitely buying in on Zynga, but we could see a very good profit for Zynga in the future. But anyways, guys, if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next week. Peace.